How to earn stars in Among Us. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video presentation, I'll address your queries regarding how to earn stars in Among Us and whether it is feasible to do so. Firstly, it is worth noting that regardless of whether you're using an iPhone or Android device, you can accomplish this. Personally, I use an Android device. So to begin, open your Play Store and once you're in the homepage, locate and search for Among Us and view the search results. Click on the Among Us icon which should be in the first result. This action will lead you to the official page of Among Us on the Play Store app. By scrolling down on the screen, you can access various information about the game. To download the game, simply click on the Install button and upon opening the game, you will be directed to the game's home screen where you can customize various settings to your liking. If your main concern is earning stars in Among Us, navigate to the shop section. Unlike other games with missions that offer rewards, Among Us does not follow this structure. Stars can be obtained by purchasing them with the real money, and by selecting the desired pack and completing the payment process, the stars will be credited to your account. As of the time of recording this video, there is no way to earn stars in Among Us through gameplay. They can only be acquired by making real money purchases. I have created this video to provide clarity on this matter. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.